Good afternoon, traders. This short video, hopefully short, is as a reply to some very similar questions regarding my recent video on the YouTube channel about the third new way of finding zones on the M5 time frame. Because you all know how we are looking for supply and demand based on the market profile tool. Yeah, as something basic, the main zones for our trading when we are looking for entries or our patterns. But this is like a main zone make before the market opens. Yes, like before Frankfurt, London, and this is our main markup. But also during the day there are plenty new fresh zones where we can use, which we can use as TP or also as entries. Yes, something main is main. This is one thing, but also another is we have to understand what is going on the market when we are waiting for the setup. Not only that, okay, yes, great, I have supply. I'm only waiting when the price will reach this zone to get entry. It is good to know what happened before your entry, yes, because maybe the sell from supply could be without any sense because 10 pips lower is fresh made demand, so it's very risky to sell, yes, because we need to predict the break of demand. So very good to observe, watch, and analyze all the time. Trading is really not so easy, but it can be also simple. Similar words but with different meaning for me. So analyzing, and once again analyzing. Do not only wait for trade, please, because I still get messages that someone got kicked out even if the setup was good. Yes, like me yesterday, I also took a sell because I took a loss because I didn't see that just before my entry was fresh made little supply which held the price. I'm also making mistakes. As I said, I had very hard, difficult month, and now GU is calming down and is easier to expect some moves. So I hope the second part of this month, or this month, October, will be really great. But okay, to the point. Need to drink my juice and I will continue, sorry. Oh yes. So about the main sell today, which was the perfect setup. I'm so happy that some of you and also Stacks took this trade. It was a brilliant setup. So let's go. I am on M5. This is these days my favorite time frame to observe the price and its behavior. And of course, then for entries I am looking on M1, but on the day I prefer the M5 somehow. Let's make it bigger. What time it was here? It was just before Frankfurt. Yeah, Frankfurt was that push to the down, and it left obvious supply. Yeah, we had here the price failed to make another high, failed to break the structure, and just fell down. So this range is collecting the orders for a sell, for supply. Yeah, this is the strong sellers area. So what I am looking for, M5, then I am looking for some anomalies on delta, for some unlogical structure. And now these are very big. I don't want to see such a big bars. Yeah, we are here. I am looking for, in case of supply, I am looking for positive delta which didn't push the price up, because that should be logical. Yes, positive delta means buyers, 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 and then should be short. That's a further continuation of the move. But if it's not happening, and price is reversing, what it could be? Absorption and filling sell limit orders on the ask side. Yes, opposite. Of course, if I see only this candle live, nothing more, I cannot be sure, as I said previously a few times, if these are buy market orders or sell limit orders. I can interpret this move few candles later, and then I know, okay, this is supply. And in this 5-minute period, it was filling sell limit orders just before the Frankfurt session. Yes, yeah, now these bars are very small, but before the Frankfurt it were bigger. Yes, these all the bars make the previous one very small. So here we have anomaly, yes, positive delta, even for 10 minutes, and what price did? Reversed. So this 5 minutes was critical. So I am marking this. This is my area of interest. Sorry. So I have something unusual, yeah. So now I'm switch to M1. I switch to M1, and this time I want to see when the sellers joined. Yeah, so at first on M5 I am looking the anomaly, and now on M1 I want to see in this supply big negative delta, or not, maybe not big because the wrong word, where the initial orders appeared in this period of time, in this 5 minutes or up to maybe 10. So what you can see here, yes, this on top, take a look, were the first negative orders which started to push the price down. So this 5 minutes were filling sell limit orders, and here by market execution the last late guys joined the market. This is the big one. It also left supply. Let's find a few more. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was the first candle. I would say that the first part is like the premium. With the best price. Yes, here were the last orders activated, and even the big guys joined. But the biggest delta we have on that one candle, we can mark even the whole area. So what I am doing, I drew something like this and this. So I have my most important area on this supply. And what happened? Yes, now we can switch to the M1, not M1, sorry, I switch to the volume, because we are joining the market with decreasing volume. How to make this? Very good if after our markup, yet the price is not just sitting here, because for me this is too short period of time to make aggressive entry. I try now to have more conservative way of trading with less lower risk. So this is the beautiful retest after a time. So not like few minutes. I was doing that previously with the older market conditions. Now it is good to wait for longer to see really the space, yes, from your zone. What happened here? Beautiful, sorry, beautiful sign that something is cooking. We have here compression with last push. Beautiful. 14 minutes after London. Here we have imbalance. It was broken. Price came back and retest this. But here the entry could be just after. Take a look on the volume, how it decreased. And price was hanging below broken imbalance. Yeah, so compression, break of imbalance, decreasing volume, wonderful entry. Sorry. Where to aim for? Let's switch to the M5, to the ask bid, and also analyze the move back to the zone. What happened here? That price decided to reject. So we are looking for demand. So on M5, negative delta, which didn't push the price lower. That one is big. Yes, you can see how big. Delta is here. Price just rejected and started the move up. So I have a strange feeling that I have still something in my throat. Crazy, like a bee. Okay, so first markup. Now switch to the M1 to find the initial move. So this time I'm looking on M1, kind of positive delta, which in this area started to push the price up. So positive. So here we have the negative, yes, negative deltas, which activated the buy limit orders, and first something initial just on the at the bottom, rejection with buy market execution orders. This is the way how I mark this and understand, and it is working nicely for now. Just I see the logic behind behind looking for such zones and reading these zones like this. So here and that. Yeah, price came back and we could expect maybe a buy setup, yes, because we have clean demand, the fresh made zone. And now to the volume. Yes, I'm looking for ask bid only when I'm looking for highs, lows, and analyzing them to find the potential area for entry. So take a look, guys. By entry, after breaking of this imbalance after compression, perfect TVT setup, what was possible? 40 pips? Or to the M5 area, yes, maybe kind of 30 pips to the higher edge of the measured candle. But wonderful, yes, wonderful fall down. I missed such a clean setup. But okay, we are in the demand, so we could potentially look for a buy. Is what need to happen? Decreasing volume at first. Here we didn't have any pattern. It was just reaching the price after free fall. So entry here should be by breaking these imbalances. It happened? No. Wow, sorry. If I'm talking too much, my throat is really destroyed. And I am not a singer, I don't know what's happening. Only viruses everywhere. Autumn, yeah, is part of the year. So here it was broken, but directly came back. It was any chances to join the market, and it was my mistake yesterday when I took a loss with stocks and with some of you also in the group, because I just hoped that the imbalance will be broken, but we cannot predict anything. We need to see this, yes, to react. Here it was nicely broken and the volume decreased, yes, to give the clean entry below broken imbalance. Here it was broken, came back, and yeah, the volume wasn't decreasing above the broken bearish imbalance. No. So price was in the demand, yes, but the sellers didn't want to stop. Wow, I hate this. I hate being sick. Then another thing, yes, here we have the lower low, prices reacting, so maybe this could be the idea for a buy, yes, while rejecting. So let's analyze this low. So we can really analyze every single high and low to see if the pattern will come there. This is the really looking for a fresh zones. But of course the main one, the core, which we are looking for on the M15, are the most important zones. And now this, what I'm doing on the M5, is typical for scalping to find more possibilities. So let's analyze this third setup. The price already made a move. We are, for example, in somewhere here in the market. So I'm looking for anomaly, so potential demand. So negative delta, and price didn't came down. What do we have here? That one candle, which took previous week and went up. But such an increasing delta should suggest the further move down. So if this is a new high, my little brain is thinking, oh yeah, these are activated by limit orders on the bid side. So I have my candle of interest on M5. So what I want to do now, switch to M1 to find this time M1 positive delta as a market execution orders, which joined after filling by limit orders. I hope this is logical for you and you understand my way of thinking. Yeah, so because in my opinion the market is moving by limit orders, the pending are attracting the price. Yes, when price is falling down, the big guys or algorithms are putting sell limit orders, buy limit, buy limit, buy limit, and the price, the algorithm which is moving the price, is trying to reach the biggest order in a short period of time to make the money flow. So when these are activated, then few seconds later the other guys, the masters of order book, see what happened, the biggest orders are triggered. So just in case they're putting market orders, the market execution, live orders, okay, activated, I can buy right now, boom, by click, yes, without any pending order. So this is what I'm looking now, yeah, the M1 with positive delta. Beautiful, yes, big one, and it initiated the move up. Really, something is not understandable, please write. This is the key, how we should work. This and here, yes, we have the candle of interest. M5 we don't need. Switch to the volume and now read. Price nicely went out from the zone. Yes, took this high, this high, this high. 3 highs even are taken. So this can be the potential redemand as the price is starting to make new highs for up move. So what is going now? The late traders maybe want also join in the same price area or fill their late limit orders. We need to see decreasing volume. Volume going up, 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 up. Dangerous. And now here is up and down, ranging market, ranging volume, sorry, and then high volume and decreasing. Yes, you can see in this period of time, these 3 candles left the volume. How to join? If you feel that the volume is really decreasing, like 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, join by always at the closure of the candle. To not buy the top or sell the bottom. Always wait for candle closure. Do not be afraid of using bigger stop loss. But look, in this case, it could be like 8 pips. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful stop loss. 8 pips to the, I don't know, this high, 30 pips move. And yeah, GU is like on steroids. Not even safer area, like maybe this broken resistance, like from this high. Yes, he was the ranging market for a few minutes. 8 pips to the 21. It's 2.5% if you risk 1. do this day by day, one trade like this, and this could be the beginning of your freedom. Beautiful. I hope that you understand now what I wanted to share on YouTube. Maybe it wasn't so clean, but as I said, I stopped being active on YouTube. I even block all comments. I shared with Stacks what we wanted to share. It's more than enough. Even the 4 additional videos after the course. I will be less and less active on Instagram as well, because I believe that our mission with Stacks is on a very good way right now. We don't need to be popular as other gurus. We are just going with good karma and with our philosophy of being just a good guys. So I recorded this video only for you, only for 2.0 group, with better explanation. Yes, with the zones. I love this way because really you can find more setups. Sometimes we need to wait hours to reach our zone, especially if the Asian moves are now very sharp and very big. But with this way you can analyze every high and low on the M5 to read if maybe here is opportunity to jump. Yes, he was nice setup, but the bearish imbalances weren't broken. Where it was here. Yes, do not make my mistakes from yesterday. Also, I did this exactly same setup few times, and on same moments few times I lost. I remember my last few trades, even from 1.0 group when I was active there, so a few months ago. I remember all the time I tried to catch the reversal from bearish heavy move, because they in here when the price was reaching the demand, the potential demand, they even gave the last sign, oh, we don't stop before anyone. Yeah, we want to drive faster and more. So some buyers tried, but no, they were crushed. Beautiful, yes, as that even at the end of potential move they told, no, we don't want to stop. If you are able to break our level, our orders, then okay, you are stronger. But if you cannot, please leave us as sellers alone. So kind of the story. My mind is crazy. I love to make stories in my head to understand what is happening. Here, the sellers didn't leave any signs that they don't want to stop. And it was calming down for buyers. Beautiful. Here could be beautiful setup. Wow. But I didn't want to trade today. I was busy with other things. I tried to trade Asian session today. I caught a good move with good direction. But after 1 hour I was less than 0.5% up. Of course, when I stopped trading, the all move happened. It was, yeah, after here we had the gap which was already filled and the price started to climb, and I decided to jump, and yeah, it took ages. So I don't want to just share with you the Asian trades because I'm working on something. I found that Asian session is easy to really predict. Wrong word. I hate this word, but in Asian session we really can easily predict the direction of the move. But the spread is different, volume is dead, and it's really like trading with algos and some small institutional guys or big traders from another part of the world. So they put less orders, yes. Also good, I don't say that they are poor people. No, also big orders. Take a look on this imbalance. Yes, 18. So it is over £1 million. Yes, in the market, and or here over 1.5 million. So they have money. Yes, this is good, but they are not placing so often these orders. There are less traders in this part of the world than New York and London together. But when I will be ready to share something, yes, of course I can. But now it's based on tests. I like the results. I tried some algos to find maybe some help how to automate this, because everyone needs to sleep sometimes. But no, I believe only on my mind and my own interpretation of current price action and where the price is. Yeah, but I will share with you, with those who won't trade such a late time, maybe for you it's normal daytime, I will share this maybe in the end of the year. I don't know, I'm still testing. So I was aiming here for a big move, but with big stop loss as well for 1 to the 2, but ended with 0.5% or even less than 0.5%, because over 1 hour, no, I need to sleep sometimes. But this, really take, guys, a look on this, test this, and ask questions if you don't understand something. We are here to help you. Yes, you join us, join the group for some reason, not to just read the chart, but also probably to work, yes, to make some, to take some lessons from what we want to share, because the course is not everything. I recorded the course over a year ago when the market was moving also different. Yes, so now this may be confused for you, especially for older members which are following me for like 2 years or something like this. But we need to adapt. Yes, if now one candle is 15 pips sometimes, so the stop loss also need to be bigger, and we can use more tools. Yes, I never used so much delta, but now I love. Also, I like the new idea of the volume profile. Yes, that we can switch this to the 0 to not see this. Wonderful, very useful. Okay, it's long enough video, half hour. Oh wow, I thought that it can be shorter. So enjoy it, and I wish you a very, very nice weekend, guys.